the best steak you've ever had. My cameraman, John, he said he doesn't like steak. He said he's never had a proper steak. He doesn't think he has a proper steak, right?
Just never been a fan. Maybe I've gone to the wrong places.
Never been a fan of steak. So I was in Walmart today. I thought of John when I was there, rolling by the steak area, and I found me a nice, well-marbled steak, and I said, you know what? Let's cook John a steak. So what we're gonna do, Mr. John, I'm gonna trim this up a little bit, cut a little tail off, save that for later. Cut some of this fat off, not a whole lot, because you know why, John? Fat is flavor. So, cut all this up a little bit. Boom. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch to this. Not gonna do a whole bunch. You know why, John? Because these, first place #1 steak in Arizona,
I see that.
They sent me that. So, I had to rock it for this video. Like John says he wants to get rubby. We're gonna make us a rub, okay? So I'm gonna use everything. We're recording at the restaurant, so everything here is massive. So 1 tablespoon of pepper. Close that up. 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. Bam. I think there's only a tablespoon left. 1 tablespoon of our Arizona Cajun rub. Drop that in there. Give it a nice little kick, John. You don't know what you're missing, John. You don't know what you're missing. Now, we're going to throw some salt in there. About a tablespoon of salt. Okay.
Smells good already.
Woo, I was right. It smelled good, huh? Little rub smell good. All right. So now, we are going to rub this steak down. Throw the rub on there. Look good. Don't forget the sides. Gotta have the sides. I'm about to blow you away, John. I'm about to blow you away with this. Boom. Look at that. Now, most important thing, what we're gonna do, John, we're gonna let it rest. It's gonna sit here. It's gonna sit for 30, 45 minutes. It's gonna sit here. It's gonna get to room temperature. And while it gets to room temperature, we're gonna go fire up the grill. Y'all are gonna dig this. Y'all are gonna dig this because we're gonna smoke it and then we're gonna sear it. So today, we're cooking on the brand new GMG Peak Grill. Whoo, this baby's nice. All right, so I'm gonna turn her on. It's a pellet grill. She's gonna get fired up. We're gonna get it to 300 degrees. We're gonna smoke this sucker to about 115. And then after 115 degrees, look what daddy's got. Whoo! A pellet grill with a side burner. We're gonna sear the steak on here till it hits 135. We're pulling it off. We're gonna cover it, and then you better stay tuned because there's a little trick that I'm gonna show that I use in the competition world. See, my favorite thing about a pellet grill, this is my favorite part, especially the Green Mountain Grill. Favorite part, you just come out, hit the button, turn power, let it go to what you want. You go sit inside, chill on the couch, watch the game, and let the sucker do all the work for you. All right, John, it's been 10 minutes. Let's go check on this bad boy. We fired this grill up to 300 degrees. Smell that? Smells good, yeah?
Smells great.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, look at that. She's at 300 degrees. Man, that was quick. She's awfully quiet too, huh? That's quiet. All right. Let's get this sucker on. Throw that on there. Woo. All right, we're gonna let that go. We'll come back and check on it in about 30 minutes. All right, we're 45 minutes in. John, we're 45 minutes in. Let's check the temp of this steak. Now, for everyone at home, if you don't have a Thermapen, go get you a Thermapen. There's a link down in the description. This is the best. Bam, check your meat, boom, you got the temp. This is all you ever need. This is it. Anyways, let's check this bad boy out. Woo-hoo. Smell the smoke, John. Smell the smoke, John.
Great.
All right, 100 degrees, 101, 101. See how it's instant? That's an instant thermometer right there, baby. All right, we're at 101. So I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes. I want this sucker to hit 115. Then we're gonna play with this side burner. So Green Mountain Grills now has a side burner option on its new GMGs. So I'm gonna crank this sucker up. This is my first time using it. Full blast, boom, it's all the way up, okay? It's all the way up, this sucker's gonna heat up. Whoo, damn, it heats up quick. I'm scared, it's shiny. I'm scared to use it. It's kind of shiny. Nice and shiny. All right, let's give it 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes, John. 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes.
And we're gonna see how it goes. All right, remember I told you there's a little trick. So I got, I don't know, what do you say that is? Half a stick of butter inside of a pan. I'm gonna add our Arizona Cajun to the bottom of this pan, okay? Now, with this little side burner action, I'm gonna set this on here and I want this butter to melt. So what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see a trick. You're gonna see a trick here. So I'm gonna let this butter melt in here. Woo, this sucker's hot, boy. I'm gonna let that melt. I'm gonna pull the steak. We're gonna sear the steak till it hits 130. Then I'm gonna put it in this pan that's full of melted butter. Put it in this pan, cover it with aluminum foil. I'm gonna let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes inside of this pan with butter. That's my competition trick, John. Little competition trick right there.
I like it.
Let it rest. Always let your meat rest, John. All right, let's check around. Ooh, 114. All right, so now 114 degrees. Let's pull this bad boy off. All right, let's sear her up. You ready?
Yep.
There we go. Let it roll. All right, let's flip this bad boy over. Woo-hoo. All right. Let her cook. Let her cook. All right. 130. Boom, 135. Boom, 135. All right. So I'm gonna pull this bad boy off. That color looks good, yeah, John?
That looks amazing. Look at that.
That's a little smoke seared right there, baby. Smoked and seared. All right, straight from the sear station, as promised, into the pan of butter. Boom. We are going to cover this with foil. Cover it all up. Boom. 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 Don't touch. Start a timer, 15 minutes. Let it roll before you cut open. Let's go. Let's go. All right, John. It's been 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes been resting in a pan. Let's take, boy, look at that. That's what you call a smoke sear. Smoke seared ribeye. All right, let's cut her open, see how we did. Let's see if we, that's how we do it right there. That's a little medium. Oh, just how we wanted it. All right, now for the true test. This little spinalis part here, this is the best part of the ribeye. So, John don't like steak, so let's hit him with the spinalis side. Yo, if you don't like this, something wrong with you. Wow. Wow. You can taste the smoke, the heat. All right, cameraman, come grab a little bite. Grab you one of those. Hit me with it. Hit me with it. Hit me with it. Woo! It's all right? Okay.
That's good right there. I've been wrong. I've been wrong about it.
You got the smoke flavor. Got a little kick. Yo, I'm about to eat this whole thing.
I know.
If y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.